Mmm, this white fluffy stuff is delicious.
Little Bear, you do know why we were having whipped cream, don't you?
'Cause it tastes good.
Because we are celebrating the fact that I, Patches, got 350 subs.
You got 350 subs and you are not sharing them with me. You can't eat 350 subs by yourself.
No, Little Bear, subs means YouTube subscribers. The people out there just love me. Patches.
Really think all those wonderful YouTube subscribers love you. What do you really do that's so great? Run around and bark? Did you see what I did to that crazy looking doll? There are pieces of her all over this junkyard. Really, everywhere you look, you are going to see a piece of crazy doll.
Please, Little Bear, have you seen my dancing dog videos? Or the videos where my incredible grace and athletic ability is displayed? Not to mention my lightning quick reflexes?
Wow, Patches, your ego is so high, I would hurt myself trying to jump down to your IQ. You just wait until the wonderful YouTubers see our intelligence test video and see just how smart I am and just how smart you're not. I have both beauty and brains.
You may be beautiful, Little Bear, but I am still the star around here.
Oh, Patches, I need your help getting this whipped cream off my back. Hurry, come help me. It's gross, not you, Weasel. I don't need your help. Ugh.
Little Bear, I'm busy eating my whipped cream on my channel.
You know, Patches, I would gladly help you by licking that whipped cream off your back. Mmm. I sure would like to bite down on his hindquarters and pray for lockjaw. Oh my goodness, did I just say that out loud?